Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just colored my hair using this new brand from Zodis Professional called All About the Curls in the shade Wavy Navy. Now I know what everybody's thinking because my hair is straight right now. I naturally have very curly hair, and it's not like cute curls either, unless like it takes a million products to make it that way. But I have very coarse, thick, frizzy hair that just turns into an afro if it's not tamed by like a million products. So the reason why my hair is not curly is because I wanted to give like an honest review of the color, and I felt like I couldn't really do an honest review about the color and show you my hair if I have a million products in it. And when I do my hair straight, I only use 2 products, and I use like the Main Magic 10-in-1 primer, which is a heat protectant, which is very important when you do your hair, so it protects your hair from heat. And I just use the 10-in-1 split end mender by the Main Magic, and I just put it on the ends, so like all my split ends, just as soon as they start blow drying, it just goes back to normal. So those are the only 2 products I use in my hair, even when I do a review, just because they're so vital in keeping my hair as healthy as possible and semi-damage free. So anyways, yes, so that's the reason why my hair is not curly when I want to do this review, because I really want to be able to run my fingers through my hair and not get them stuck in all the hairspray, the gel, the deep conditioner, and all the other products that I use in my hair to keep my curls tame. Because if it wasn't, and I just let my hair air dry, it would just be like a big afro full of frizz and not so cute curls. So anyways, let's jump into this. This is a 2-step product. It comes with the color, and it comes with the first product, which is like a prep and protection serum. And so since I need 2 boxes of color, I had 2 bottles of these. And what I did was I just split my hair in half, and I did 1 tube. I used the whole entire tube on the bottom half, and then I used the other tube for the top half. And you're only doing like the ends because you're protecting your ends from getting even more damaged. So yes, and then you don't need to wait for it to dry. You can do your hair as soon as you put it on, so you don't need to wait for it to dry or anything. Just go ahead. It does have a strong scent of like, I don't know, to me it smells like a freshly showered man. Like it smells like a strong, like manly body wash or aftershave or something. It's manly. It's not floral. It's not girly, floral, fruity, nothing like that. It's very manly. So it's not super strong where you need ventilation either. It smells good. My hair smells, your hair doesn't smell like that after you wash it. Like mine smells just like my shampoo. This reminds me of like the Schwarzkopf keratin color, because it's a 2-step as well. And that was like my first thought was like, oh wow, that's kind of like that, but this is supposed to be like a professional color. And I did get this from Sally's, so that was nice. It says it is PPD free, which is great. And it's 100% gray coverage for up to 8 weeks. Now with this, be careful, it stains everything. So like you could see my hair or my skin is blue. Yeah, I got it all over the place. I got it all over my neck and my ears, my hand. So you're gonna need to get bleach, because as soon as it hits the countertop, it's gonna stain. So you're gonna want to either like wipe it off and put like your scrubbing bubbles or your bleach or whatever on it immediately to get it off. It took a lot of scrubbing for me to get mine off my white countertop, but I got it off the sink, so there's still a couple little hints of hair color, but eventually that'll go away. With the more I keep the bleach on it, it'll definitely go away. But it didn't give me any irritation at all. Like, I will get into it and then all of a sudden, like, here's an itch over here and then there's an itch right here, but then it goes away. So like it's not an irritant where like you kind of need to scratch your head the whole entire time, but it'll just be like an itch here, an itch there, and then just it stops. It could be from the color, or it could just be because I had an itchy head at the time. Who knows? But anyways, let's get into this color. I definitely see the blue. It's not as blue as this on the box, but I definitely see some of the hints of blue. Every time I move my head, I'm seeing it. Like, it looks jet black here, and then like I'll move my head and move my hair around, and I'm definitely seeing some of the blue pick up. It's definitely very like subtle. It's not like wow in your face blue like the box shows. So I'm kind of disappointed about that. I was like, this is such a dark navy blue. It's so gorgeous. I hope my hair looks like that. But I don't see it. I just see like hints of it every time I move my head. And I wish my light didn't die so I could have seen what it would look like in the light. But the sun's out, so I'll definitely try and play around with it in the sun and see what it looks like there. But I can see some of the blue. I definitely can. I really wish the camera's picking up on it. I mean, I can see it on the camera, but I'm not sure if like it's picking up what I'm seeing. But it's definitely an overall great color. My hair feels amazing. It's so sleek, so smooth. It feels so good. It feels really conditioned. Like it just feels so hydrated. It doesn't feel like dry at all. I like that. I really like that. I just feel like it's compared to like other colors where they do have like a lot of like the conditionedness to it. Like I feel like this has like something in it to make it just seem better. I don't know if that even makes sense, but it just feels so hydrated compared to like the other brands that I've used that are great for like making your hair feel so conditioned after coloring. Like my hair just feels different and it feels good. Like I just don't know how to explain it, but it looks so good. I'm picking up the blue. I really hope the camera's picking up the blue. It's not, like I said, it's not as blue as this box, but I'm picking up the blue hints and it's everywhere. Like every time I move my head, I'm seeing it, and it's such a gorgeous color. But I have nothing bad to say about this. Like for all my curly haired cuties, like this is gonna be bomb for you. It's just really good. Oh, that's quenching color for curls. There we go. Like that's why I feel like my hair just feels so good. Like it just feels so hydrated. I feel like it just like had like a nice, like, I don't even know how to explain it. Like a really good like hydrating mask on it. Like it just feels amazing. So I will definitely try it out with my hair being curly and the million products, and definitely post a picture on it on my Instagram page so you guys can check it out if you want to. Like I said, I just made it like a couple months ago, because I kept getting a lot of questions about like, oh, do you have an Instagram page? Yeah, I have one, but it's private, and I don't even know why I never really thought to make one back in 2017 when I first started doing hair color reviews, just to like get it up and running so everyone can like see like what the color looks like even after I color it, like see if it held up, and like if anyone had any questions about the color, like they could always ask. But I did just start it up a couple months ago, and I've constantly failed to mention that I had it so that you guys could like see the color and like all the hair products and stuff like that I buy, or if like I want to rave about it. Definitely keeping it on the hair topic and stuff. You see that blue? Like it's coming from my window, the light from my window, and I'm picking up all this blue, the blue vibes. But yes, if you want to check out the Instagram page and follow me so you can see like all results and stuff from like after I make the video, to see what it looks like afterwards and see if it holds up after the first wash or if it actually lasts for 8 weeks. You can always check me out, and it's Nina_Gilhousen. And yeah, if you find my other one, that one is private and I won't accept you. I will for my public one, but yeah, that one's private for family and friends only. Sorry guys. But yeah, if there's any colors or brands that you want me to try, let me know in the comments below, and I'll definitely check them out. I kind of am running out of like actual drugstore hair colors and brands. Like I've tried pretty much everything that I can find in the US. I have been getting a lot of requests for like UK brands, and only if I can find them I will try. Like I will search basically Walmart and Target and basically where like the drugstore brands would normally be. And if I can't find them on there, then I try Amazon and eBay. So I have found a couple of the UK ones, like I said in my last video. So those should get here. I'm banking on March. They say like at the end of this month, but I don't know. They're coming from a far distance, and we've had a couple winter storms that have backed up shipping. So like there's a lot of shipping delays and stuff. So I'm not expecting I'm gonna get here anytime soon, but I will try my best to find the hair colors that get recommended. And I do keep a list of them when it's recommended to me, so that like if I can't find it, I do go back and check and see like if I can find it some other time. And I have gotten lucky and gotten a couple other ones that like people have recommended to me over the summer that I could never find, and then I check again and I'm able to find them. So yes, I'm not gonna do like hot pink or green or anything. It's just gonna be strictly blacks, blue blacks. I've had a few recommendations for black violet. I will definitely get those done towards like the end of like all the massive ones that I have already here. But yes, I will definitely get them out and try them for you. And yeah, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and check me out on Instagram, and I'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye guys.